Hey Monster Gardeners, I'm Dylan and welcome to What's in Store. Today we're going to be talking about fans. Why are we going to be talking about fans? What's the real difference between any of these fans? As you know, there are three main types of fans: wall-mounted fans, floor-standing fans, and floor fans. Today we're going to be talking to you about a new series of fans that just came out from Hurricane. What's different about these fans is they're made for more of a commercial application as opposed to a residential application. The residential is more a plastic housing, a lower RPM motor, and it's not really having to worry about pushing that much air through. Whereas these commercial fans are entirely metal, have a larger motor, and they're going to be able to throw as much air as you need in your larger grow room. Alright, so let's go check these out. So the main difference here is if you're in a commercial application, you're going to be in a larger space. You're going to need to circulate more air, not necessarily just for temperature control, but also for CO2 control and having an even CO2 cloud, essentially. But if you're in a residential space, you may not need this just because of the size of your room. Though, if you do, if you want something more stable, want something more durable, something that's going to be pushing more CFMs, look no further. So the application for these two fans is going to be more of an under canopy, keeping ambient temperature underneath your canopy, or just, like I said, recirculating CO2. So currently these come in the floor fans and the wall-mounted fans. Both are going to have 3 speeds, they're going to have far more CFMs, all metal housing, and aluminum blades. These are all available in-store and at monstergardens.com. Thanks for watching.